So problem 53 was similar to what we did in class with inheritance of blood type. So this is, let's see, this is 5.2.53. So the inheritance of blood type, the probability of a type A is equal to 1/4. We're going to let X equal the number, that's your random variable, the number of children with type A blood, okay? And N was equal to 4. So the first question asks you to identify N. Oops, I already did. N is equal to 4, and P is equal to 1/4. Then part B, they ask you to find the probability distribution, essentially. They're asking you, let me get the exact phrase, they're asking you to find the probability of each possible value of X and draw a probability histogram. So what you need to do, right, you need to find probability that X equals 0, right, because these are all the values. She could have no children with an A, she could have 1, right, they could have 2, they could have 3, or all 4 of them could have type A. So what they are, or how you find them, is recognizing that this is a binomial PDF, right, because X equals something, and it's a binomial PDF with N equal to 4, the probability equal to 0.25. That's the probability of success. And then for this one, X is 0. The value for that is 0.61 or 0.3164. So you need to do this for each value of X. And you'll collect them. Why isn't that working? You'll collect them, and you'll build a probability density distribution, right? So it turns out, right, you get the idea. This is 2, right? This is 3, and this is 4. Okay? Everything else is the same. You're just changing the value for X, and you're obtaining all of the probabilities, and then you're going to be able to build a histogram. And I looked at all these values. I think I might do, 0.0039. All right. So let's build a histogram. That's part C. Actually, this is still part B. Part C is just to find the mean. So building the histogram, right, you got, let's scroll down a tiny bit. You've got 0, right? This is their random variable, goes on the x-axis. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm just going to do a rough one here. Okay, this is 0.316. 1 is a little bigger with 0.421. Then 2 is smaller. 3 is about here, and 4 is roughly that. So that's your distribution. And the last part they wanted, part C, was for you to find mu, find the mean. And the mean is equal to NP. 4 times 1/4, so the mean is equal to 1. And draw it on your histogram, and you're right there. Right, so that's the mu equals 1. Okay, so hopefully that helps you.